come on, man. This is episode 52, live day trading. I'm a mess. Let's get into it. What's up, everybody? Michael Silva here. Welcome to another episode of Live Day Trading. This is the series where I take you into the computer and trade live on the Webull desktop software. If you're wondering what the heck happened to me, well, I am just been caught up in this house just like everybody else, and I feel lazy. I haven't shaved. Probably need to take a shower, and I'm wearing my Rugrats t-shirt. This is Cynthia. So today I traded ticker symbol ROKU, that's for Roku. It was a very hot stock today. When I traded it, it was around up 9%, and I shorted into it, and you'll see why I came into a short position when it was so bullish. I think that my thought process was there and everything was good, and it did go in my favor for a few minutes, but ultimately I got stopped out and lost. Overall, I took about a $45 loss, and I actually feel pretty good about it because sometimes you just trade perfectly, but the trade does not go in your direction. Mind you, if I was on the other side of that trade,
I'd be rich.
No, not quite, but yeah, the trade didn't work out for me. It happens. Let's go ahead and hop into this video so you can see what it's like doing everything right, at least, you know, coming up with the plan, and then it going the opposite direction on you. Let's go into the computer. Good morning. What is up? All right, we are here at ticker symbol ROKU, Roku. As you can see, let me turn off the extended hours. As you can see, it has been just cranking up. Okay, we're up almost 9% for the day. Now, I'm not in a trade at the moment, but this is what I'm seeing. I am seeing, see this blue line right here? Well, if I zoom out to the daily, that's actually the 200-day period moving average, okay? So my thought process is this could be a good fade opportunity because it has been just on this monster tear up, and I feel like when people see this big wall, that 200-day moving average, people are gonna be like, okay, it's probably time to take some profits. And when you see some profits being taken, you have sellers come in, and when sellers come in, you see the price move lower. So I'm thinking that, hey, this is a perfect opportunity for a good risk versus reward because we might blow through this 200-day period moving average and keep moving to the upside. But it presents a good opportunity for a little risk because I can sell right here at 123.48 if it reaches, and then I can have a stop loss just pretty much right above it, just in case if it keeps on going through. So let's see here. I'm going to put in an order for 123.48, which is basically where this blue line is. Is basically where the blue line is. Let's just say that. Let me make it thicker. Boom. Okay, so if it order fills, I will be back and we will watch how it plays out. If it doesn't, then I'm just going to move on to the next opportunity. Yep. All right, it looks like it's going to be hitting it here soon. And it's also, when I look at the other chart on the SPY, it looks like it's gaining some momentum to the upside. So that's leading me to believe that this will come through here. And it might actually, honestly, I'm looking at the charts, it looks like it could potentially just break through that level and maybe fake out even a little bit higher past the 124 range. But yeah, that would be just a monster freaking move. So figured I'd bring back in. I'm still not in the trade at the moment, but figured I'd loop you back in here just to see live how it plays out. It hit a high of 123.36, so pretty dang close to the 200-day period moving average. Okay, so I am in the position at 123.53, right where that blue line is. I'm going to convert it over to green just so we can see it. Okay, so now we just wait to see if it drops lower. I don't know what's going to happen right here. It's a good opportunity for a good risk versus reward trade. I feel like it should fall because the stock's up 10%. It's running into a big wall, the 200-day period moving average. But who really knows right now in these type of market conditions? We have the SPY kind of curling upwards. It hit yesterday's low, so it's bouncing off of that point. So the SPY's moving up. People might be like, okay, let's put more money in. And see, here it is reaching up to that 124 level right there that I just mentioned. But this could be kind of like a blow off top. It could be forming, it could be coming way up and then coming back down and forming a wolf candle. We still have about 2 minutes before the full candle forms though, 2.5. So, all right, let's just see how this one plays out. I'm in for 200 shares short to the downside. So I took some profits off the table there while it was in the red. I was doing 10 share lots at a time, just kind of scaling them out. So now I'm only short 120 shares. Looks like I got rid of about 80 of my shares down here in this point. All right, let's just continue to see how this one plays out. That white line is going to be utilized as my stop loss now going forward. It's at 124.55. I have 100 shares remaining, so I'm going to kind of just follow the candles down with the stop loss as this progresses. The MACD looks like it's curling over. I'm still looking at the SPY. There's a negative divergence between the two, so it's kind of got me a little scared, but I've already taken some profits off the table. So I'm happy with just with where I'm at with this position. Still a great risk versus reward trade. Even if I lost money on this trade, I'd still be happy because everything played out how I needed it to play out. So I played the play perfectly. However, you know, if it doesn't play out in my direction, it's just because that happens sometimes. So can't really hide from that. So let's just see how this one plays out. 124.55 is my stop loss. Let's see it drop lower. Okay, that stopped me out. Okay, yeah, that stopped me out. So I think that is a total of, yeah, down $45 on that trade. That kind of sucks. Like, it was curling over. I mean, now the MACD is fully curling over. The SPY started getting some volume. This started getting some volume. Whatever. It is what it is. I mean, it's a good loss to take because of how this trade was set up, but it also kind of makes me a little irritated, obviously, losing money, but not that much. Good thing I took profits down here while I could. Otherwise, then I would be down, you know, a couple $100 maybe. But this now, it even looks more like intriguing to me because of how much this shot up. For a fade perspective. So if I were to like short right now into the 125 range, which I'm not going to do at the moment, but it looks good because this huge rubber band extension freaking out of nowhere, you know, it hits this 8 SMA and then boom, zhoof, flies right up. And then the SPY chart, like I said, you know how it was curling up, how I mentioned, it is now, it broke up to the upside there too as well. Whatever, I'm just gonna take the loss for the day. Yeah, I'm gonna just say $45 loss. I did everything that I was supposed to do, just didn't play out in my direction. Fair enough. All right, everybody have a good day today. Hope you guys are all trading well. Talk to you later. Shabba dabba da. Boom, boom, boom.